Good morning and welcome back to the channel. You often see the sexy side of sprinting, cars going around corners, fast acceleration, all that kind of stuff. What you don't see is the not so good side of sprinting, and this is it. It's 4:30 in the morning and we're off to the next round of the MG Car Club Speed Championship. A lot of tracks are 1.5 to 2 hours away in the car. You need to be ready for scrutineering, typically about 7:30 in the morning. So that means an early start. So we're off down south towards Aldershot today, going to Eelmoor, and I need a coffee. So it's now daylight. The queue for the coffee machine was horrendous, so I decided to come for a walk and come see what the track at Eelmoor is all about. Long straight into this 90 right. Fabulous little suite of corners, this. A right, and a hairpin left. The Midget really excels in these short, sharp corners, so should do really well around here, especially if it stays dry. Onto this long straight then. Should be able to run the Midget out in third gear up to that left turn up at the top. To the far corner. Fantastic looking hairpin up at the top. Tarmac looks good as well, should be really fast. And lots of runoff should it go completely wrong. Into another fast straight. Again, taking the Midget up to third gear, I think, looking at that distance. So this is the last but one round of the MG Car Club Speed Championship. Lots of other clubs here. Farnborough District Motor Club is running the event. Looks to be fairly well organised. So one more event after this at Castle Combe, and that will complete the season. Soon goes, doesn't it? So completing the figure of 8 then. Left, then a right, then a left, then a right. And then the final 2 corners. Sweeping left to take this right. The task was to carry some speed through here. And then it's a straight run down there to the finish. Cross the line and the crowd will go wild. Well, you cross the line. lunchtime then, 2 time laps into the 1 practice 4 time lap format. Initial practice just over 64 seconds, and fastest run at the break 62.3. so really pleased with how the car's going. I think there's still another second in it, if I can just hold the speed through the corners a little bit more. So let's see what the last 2 runs of the day are going to bring. It's dry, there's no threat of rain at all, so the course is driving really well, and there's a good line around it as well. So feeling very much like Kerbera, one of my favourite circuits, with the figure of 8 format, and also lots of short twisty bits, really suiting the midget as well. So the car's going really great. So right, the best of the afternoon runs then. A great day at Eelmoor then, fantastic track, really suiting the car, and even though it was an early start this morning, very much worth the trip down to Aldershot to enjoy this great circuit. Might consider coming down again next year, it was that much fun, so great. Right, on to the last one of the season then, Castlecombe next up as the season closer. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, see you at Castlecombe.